Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add love eyes effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project and then add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you wanna add a love eyes effect on this video, you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on body effect, and then in here you can click on headwear, click on it, and then in here you can see love eyes effect. This is the newest effect on CapCut. You just click on it, and then you can click a check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effects, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color, for the size, for the range, and then for the speed. Like this, and then after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add love eyes effect on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.